What up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. Quick video on this app, Upside, that I've been using for a while now. You see my balance here. I got $32.26. Very easy to use this app. All you're doing is getting cash back for gas. I mean, if you have a car, obviously you have to put gas in it. So basically it shows you all the gas stations that are in your area that will, give you cash back. Like it shows you the closest ones. This Shell gas station around the corner from me, I get 15 cents cash back off each gallon. And if I go in the store and make any purchase, I get 10% cash back. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of times when I go get gas, you know what I'm saying, I might, buy some chips or something like that, whatever. You're getting double cash back. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's about. You're just getting cash back. And then on top of that, like you can go to places like this Burger King. I get 10% of whatever I spend in that place. If I go to this gas station, I get 1 cent off. If I go to Wendy's, I get 25% cash back. So it'll show you wherever you are, particularly in your area. It's very simple to use. You just look at it. The gas stations get cash back. You just go there. All you have to do is take a picture of a receipt. You see here, all you gotta do is claim. This one I actually claimed because I'm actually going to get gas this morning, so I went ahead and claimed it just so I can lock in that price. Because what happens sometimes, if you just wait till right before you about to get the gas, it might go down to just 15 cents. It might go down to 12 or something like that. It just depends. So I like to claim it as soon as I see it. That way I can lock in at that price. And you have 4 hours to actually to go get it. You see here, if I click on it, you see there it says upload receipt. I have 2 hours and 27 minutes left until I do it. And you see here, if I get regular gas, 15 cents off, mid grade 1%, the premium 19 cents, and diesel 1 cent. But I'm getting regular, so I'll get 15 cents. Probably get like 8 gallons worth of gas. I don't know how much gas I have in my car at the moment, but I'm gonna fill it up anyway. So just to show you how much I've made in the month of January, let me see my history right here. The month of January, I've made $22.94. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just basically going to all these different gas stations and getting cash back. I'm going to food places, getting cash back for things like that. So I mean, it's really easy to use. I mean, for me, I'm always in the car. I'm always going places, so I always got to get gas. And you see here, my lifetime's earnings $88.60. You know what I'm saying? And I'm so glad that I was introduced to this app a few months ago, because it's allowed me to make good money with it, and I'm continuing to do that. So that's really all it is. I mean, it's a very simple app to use. Use my link. That way you'll get an extra 15 cents off your first purchase. So basically, like, let's say you had this offer right here, 15 cents off cash back for your purchase of gas. If you use my link and use the extra code that goes with the app, you'll get an extra 15 cents. So that means you'll get 30 cents cash back off each gallon. That really adds up. I mean, I'm telling you, it adds up, because you see here, I'm about to cash out $32.26 with this app. So you got to use it. I mean, everybody has to get gas. Everybody eats. That's what they're doing. I mean, you just click on restaurants. It'll show you. Like I said, it shows you the ones that are in your area. At this point in time, these are the 2 that are closest to me, but you'll have different ones. So it all depends on you. So I'm going to go ahead and cash out real quick. The cash out process is very simple. It shows you all these different gift cards that they have that you can choose from. They also have PayPal. You can get a check if you would like, but you can definitely take a look at the gift cards, see if it's some on there that you like. Me personally, I'm going to go to PayPal real quick, and bam, just cash out $32.26. There's no fees with it. Very simple to use, and it'll go straight to my PayPal. It'll probably take a couple days to get there, but it's a legit app. Like, you've seen my lifetime earnings, so I'm making money with it. I'm just going to click continue, and bam, what I'm saying, this account being verified. But they're going to send it to me, so I'm going to submit real quick, and it'll be sent to me within 12 to 24 hours. So I mean, guys, I mean, you gotta sign up for this app. I'm loving it. I'm making good money with it. I'm being more and more motivated to actually get gas only the places that are giving me cash back. I'm not getting gas anywhere else where I'm not getting paid to get gas. That's kind of pointless to me now, because I had this app. So I just wanted to show you that cash out real quick. You see here, my balance is back to 0. So now I got to go back and rack it up, of course, get more money. So Like I said, the link to this app is in the description. Use it. Use my code so that way you can get extra off your first purchase and your future purchases as well. Get cash back for food, all that good stuff. I mean, everybody, has to, do these things. So you might as well get paid to do it. All right. So do that now. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe because I'm always showing you guys how to make money completely free using different websites and different apps, all that good stuff. All right. So subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Sign up today with the app and always remember every penny counts.